Hello everyone. Now let us start your chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. Interesting chapter but lengthy chapter. And for exam point of view, it is most important chapter because it carries approximate 6 marks. See, you have learned about metal and non-metal in your previous studies. Now we start with physical properties of metal and physical properties of non-metals. Okay? So what are the physical properties of metals? Let us list it. Physical properties of metals. See, you have to write in this manner. That's generally you have to use the word generally, because some exceptions are always there. So generally metals are found in solid state. First, generally metals are found in solid state. Exceptions are there that you know. Mercury, Hg. Okay, symbol of mercury, Hg, Latin name is hydrargyrum. Try to remember this. Mercury is found in liquid state. So this is the exception. Now, if metals are found in solid state, we can say that its density is high. So generally, densities of metals are high. Again, exceptions are there. Density of potassium, lead, sodium, etc. are less density. Okay, if density is high, means high dense material is there, then you can say that solid means densities are high. If densities are high, we can say what generally metals are found in which its boiling point and melting points are high. If the material is high dense material means solid. Solid material means what? If you want to melt this, then you need more energy. If you need more energy, it means what? Their melting point is high, and so its boiling point is also high. So generally melting point and boiling points of metals are high. Okay? Generally metals are hard because they are solid, because their densities are high. You can say that what? Generally metals are hard. Soft metals are also there. Exception, potassium, lead, sodium, they are soft so that it can be cut with knife. Try to remember all these lines. 5 number. They are sonorous. Means they produce ringing sound when strike on other metal. Okay? So they are sonorous. 6 number. They are good conductor. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity. They are malleable and ductile. Malleability means what? Sheets can be prepared from it. And ductility means what? Wires can be drawn from it. So it is known as wires can be drawn. It is called ductile property. Okay? So they are malleable and ductile. Okay. And lastly, they form alloys when reacts with metal, other metal. When one metal reacts with other metal, it forms alloys. So these are the physical properties of metal. Right? Now, on the opposite way, physical properties of non-metal. Exactly opposite to the physical properties of metals, here we write generally metals are found in solid state. So here you have to write generally non-metals are found in gaseous state. Exception is there. Bromine is the liquid non-metal. Okay, bromine is liquid non-metal. Generally, densities of metals are high. Here, they are in gaseous state, so their densities are low. Densities of non-metal are low. Their melting point and boiling points are high. Here their melting point and boiling points are low. Melting point and boiling points are low. Generally they are hard. Though they are here, non-metals are in gaseous state, so you can't say that they are hard. Okay? Means here we have to write they are not hard. Here they are sonorous, so they are not sonorous. Sixth number, they are good conductors of heat and electricity. Here they are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Bad conductors of heat and electricity. Exception is what? Good conductors are graphite. Graphite means allotropes of carbon. Okay, they are good conductors. Here you can say that they are not hard, means soft, but exception is diamond. Okay, diamond is hard. Seventh number, they are malleable and ductile. Here they are neither malleable nor ductile. They form alloy. Here they form compounds. They form compounds when reacts with other non-metals. Moreover, one that here in metal and non-metal both, metals are, they have luster and can be polished. Here they have non-lustrous. They are non-lustrous and can't be polished. Exception is that diamond is having luster, graphite can be polished, diamond can also be polished, graphite has also luster. Okay, so these are the physical properties of metals and non-metals. In your textbook, see the page number 37. Okay, here it is given about it. Okay, 37, in 38, 39, activities are not important, so don't worry about it. See in page number 40. Here we said that all metal except mercury exit as solid as room temperature. So they have high melting point, but gallium and cesium have very low melting point. Melting point exceptions are there. Gallium and cesium have low melting point. One line question, very important. Now this is about physical properties. Now chemical properties. Chemical properties of metal and chemical properties of non-metals. See here. Chemical properties. Here we are going to learn about basic chemical properties which depends on electronic configuration. Afterward, in detail, chemical properties of metals are there in your textbook that we will learn. But here, based on electronic configuration. Okay, now see metals. Metals are positive ions. So you can say that metals have tendency to lose or donate electron. Metals have tendency to lose electrons. By losing electron, they converts into positive ion. They converts into positive ions. Okay? So remember the vice versa also. Metals have tendency to lose electron, means if the element which loses the electron, then we say that they are metals. If they are metal, then they have tendency to lose electron, and if they lose electron, they are called metals. If they lose electron means negatively charged particle. So if negatively charged particle loses, okay, then they converts into positive ions. Is it okay? Here in opposite, non-metals have tendency to gain electron, and by gaining electron they converts into negative ions. Okay, so this is based on electronic configuration. Now moreover, some chemical properties are also given, that extra chemical properties other than electronic configuration. Here that metal can react with oxygen and form oxides of that metal. Means metal can form oxides of metals. Oxides of metals, when drops in water, it form base. Means oxides of metal are basic. Metals are basic oxide, and so they are called reducing agent. They are, here they means what? Basic oxide. Basic oxides are reducing agent. In 9th standard you have learnt about this oxidation and reduction. Now here in opposite, what about non-metals? Here metal can form oxides of metal, when non-metal can form oxides of non-metal. Non-metals can form oxides of non-metals. Exceptions are there. Oxides of non-metal are acidic. Means when they drop in water it form acid, and that's why we said it is oxidizing agent. So there they are means acidic non-metallic oxide are oxidizing agent. Okay, so these are the chemical properties based on electronic formula and the general. These general chemical properties we are going to learn in deeply. So please write down this. Try to understand this. We will start now chemical properties of metals.